Hi, I'm part of the HSE team, the Health, Safety and Environment team. Part of my role on site is to collaborate closely with our client, our trade partners and our unions. This is to solve many complex issues that arise on a day-to-day basis out on site. We do this via toolboxes, high-risk workshops or safety walks.
So one way that we collaborate with our various stakeholders on site is we have a number of different means, both formal and informal. So informal ones are basically just building rapport with all our different trade partners out on site and getting to know what they're doing and how they're doing it, just so we can better assist them in conducting their work safely. Another way we sort of engage with them in a more formal setting is through our DABS meetings, which is a daily activity briefing, which is how we plan our works for the next day. We just look at how all the trades are interacting with each other on site and how they can conduct that safely and access the areas that they need to get to.
We discuss any high risk works that are coming up and we encourage them to have input and we know if anything's going to clash or what's going to work well and how we can improve those standards as well on site.
While we're out on site carrying out those audits and inspections, we kind of tie in with the site team that is there. So our project managers, site managers, maybe a graduate that wants to attend the walk as well. And that way we can solve the issues there on the spot. It's not something that's left to the wayside. We can get in the relevant trade partners to collaborate in with us to maybe solve the issue that we're having out on site and get their opinions.
At Kapitol Group, the HSE team work together really well. We share our ideas, we implement change, and we come up with, I'm based on one project in particular, and I find that sometimes it can be really easy to get tunnel vision. So by visiting other sites and by regularly hosting some of our colleagues from other sites, it really helps getting other opinions. It really helps being able to see what other sites are doing maybe better than us, where we can draw improvement from them and implement those changes accordingly.